Oh, hi, Wayne.
Good fuck, Curtis, where the fuck you at?
Well, we just crossed the border and we are officially in America.
Place awesome.
I ate way too much.
Waiting on Brian to take a shower. Waiting on Brian to take a shower. Waiting on Brian to take a shower. Here we go.
Can you hurry up, Brian, so we can go ride, buddy?
Oh yeah, hey, you wanna see something?
No, hurry up. Let's ride.
We're going. Sorry, boys.
Brian, let's go.
Oh,
Yo, let's go. The boys are waiting.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Ah!
Hey, we made it to Tall Pines.
As you can see, we are very excited to be here. It's our first time. We see on the website they got over 80 miles. I don't know that conversion. That's probably like 110, 120 kilometers worth of trail. So we're very excited. I don't even know that Tristan slept.
Let's go.
You did great.
Howdy, Dan M here, newest member of the Mud Monkey ATVs. Let me tell you, the boys told me we were going to New York. I got so excited. Thought I was going to see the Brooklyn Bridge, the Empire State Building, maybe even have a dance with the Statue of Liberty. But no, to my surprise, we got down here. After Brian drove real slow, no one told him to have his nice tea and get his blood sugar up. We had to keep pulling over to wait for him. We get here, no pizza, no Statue of Liberty to dance with, but all in all, it's been a great time so far. We had a beautiful dinner.
Let's fucking dig in.
No, we gotta say grace first. We gotta say grace. I got this one.
All right, man.
All right. So, goes. Here's to honor. Get in honor, hit in honor, and if you can't come in her, come on her. Cheers. Nice day out on the trails.
All right, we're back. Day 2, Tall Pines ATV Park. We got Heather, we got James, and we got Jay and Muddy, and we're gonna go hit the fucking trails. He'll be okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Easy. Easy.
Careful, Brian.
You got her. don't like your angle.
Zigzag.
Good job, Mayor. Oh, look how muddy. Wave to the kids at home. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Some people feel.
Oh, we're going again?
I love the ball. America on 3.
America.
America.
Middle ball.
That's hilarious. No, it's just a video, guys.
Oh, you're the best.
Billy on the right, Brian on the left. Look at that dust trail. I think he reeled him in.
You know, the things we do for the videos. I tell you. Hey, Heather, things we do to capture the content. Oh, so sandy. Wow.
Goggles on though.
Hey, Tristan, you want to buy a Renegade?
Abso-fucking-lutely.
Well, we got Scratch here. We got Billy there. And together. Don't sink your bike.
Lift the front end up.
Your mom will be mad.
Scratch. Okay. So Billy, what do you love about off-roading, bud?
Mud, when it's winnable.
The exercise.
Oh boy, I don't get this cardio anywhere else.
Yeah, cardio is very important, isn't it, Billy?
Yeah, I mean, that was thick. It was very thick, man.
Yeah, take a sip of water, buddy.
Where'd the outfit go?
He did great. Look at that rim.
What rim?
I know, right? Look at that. Oh, look how soupy that is.
We'll wait a little bit.
You did a fantastic job, Billy.
Here you go, Chris. Can you
Aww.
hold it? Where's Dan? Can you hold it?
So coming out to New York State, the intention was always to produce a low-budget docu-film. And by the time we got here, that is just exactly what didn't happen. You know, we hopped on our quads and we decided, man, you know what? Let's put these cameras away. Let's fucking ride and have fun. And that's exactly what we did. You know, it's a rarity that the 6 of us are able to get together. And we wanted to take advantage of that. We had a beautiful Airbnb. New York State has some awesome trails to offer. So we figured, fuck it, let's just enjoy that, which is exactly what we did. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, man, this is a pretty lame video, well, suck it. Because we decided, you know what, let's just have fun and ride. Which for us, that's where it all started and what it's all about. So better luck next time. There'll be plenty more trips and plenty more opportunities to produce some higher quality content, and I don't think that's going to be too far out from now. But for this video, that's a wrap, kids. We're heading home, back to Canadian soil. I miss my bed, I miss my wife, and I need a good night's sleep, because that also has not happened once since we've been out here.
Oh, Brian, cool cargo pants, man. What kind of cargo you packing in those, man? Holy shit. You know you're a dad from the country when you got cargo pants.
Oh! Oof. Yo, man, I'm gonna kill someone.
Truth is, I don't even know why I hang out with these guys. They drive me fucking crazy. My people meter's at 0. And we're only one night in. And they're talking about doing a bigger trip next year. I don't know if I'll be able to make it. I don't even know if we're still gonna be friends, to be honest with you. They say some pretty shit. I got asked to be the ATV mechanic, and I'm sitting under here trying to fix the trailer so everybody can get home from Tall Pines. And, you know, all day today. Oh, wait, fix this. Oh, wait, my suspension's too soft. Oh, wait, my steering's off. What?
Shut up and fix it.
How long have you been sitting there for?
Long enough to hear your fucking picture complaint. Get it done. Let's go.
My bad.
Click subscribe or you are a loser.